Hey guys, here's a video just on some leg exercises we can do if you have any knee pain at the moment. This will help you maybe just still exercise those quadricep and thigh muscles. So we're going to give you three kind of different positions and we'll progress each of them. So first of all, we're just going to be seated on the ground, and the first one I want you to think about doing is just pushing the back of the knee here. So if I go side view, the back of this knee straight into the floor here. So you're trying to compress the back of the knee into the floor, and you should feel these thigh muscles tense up a little bit. And you can hold that contraction down, just support yourself with the hands and push down as hard and as much as you can, and that will activate them muscles and shouldn't really disturb anything within the knee joint itself. So you can hold down for about 20 seconds. You can do one at a time and then alternate to the other leg, or do the two at the same time, pushing down and holding for about 20 seconds, or whatever repetitions we're doing in the class. To make that a bit more challenging, you can introduce maybe just like a foam roller or some object nearby, put it outside one of the legs. Again, just support yourself, contract them muscles, okay, in the thigh by pushing down, and then we're going to lift up that leg and try and get over the foam roller and then go back over again. Maintain the tension all the way, don't let it relax as we lift over and heel touches off the floor. Just keep that tension through the muscle, really keeping it tight. Okay, and even just rubbing the muscle can sometimes stimulate and keep it active. So you can do your sets there and then swap over leg, do the same on the opposite side. So that's kind of level one. We can move up into our feet then and do kind of a level 2 exercise. We're going to use the wall sits and a few variations with them. So what we want to do is get our back against the wall, get our feet, about a foot away from the wall, and then just sit down into it at about this 90-degree level. Again, we can sit here nice and passively and easily, but what I want you to do is think about driving your feet into the floor, really pushing down in that direction, and that gets these muscles tightening in the quads. Okay, so that's level 1. You can hold that for time. To introduce a little bit more difficulty, you can elevate the heels, and that again, pushing in that direction with your toes into that floor will keep them muscles really engaged here. If you want to make it again a little bit harder, you can go onto alternating with the legs, so heel up on the right, heel up on the left, and alternate between the two. And then lastly, our progression in this one is going to single legs. So go narrow stance, so 2 feet are close together. We're going to squat down a little bit lower, okay, not quite as low as the last time, and put our palms on the wall and straighten one leg. And you isolate that one leg, really getting that tension, okay? And then you can swap it over, 2 feet are close together on this one, and we straighten the opposite leg. Make it harder, get deeper into it. So our last one then, just to get a little bit of single leg work, following up to that last one, is going to be doing kind of like a split stance squat. So what we're going to do is we're going to get 1 foot up on the back wall, and all we're going to do, that's the real focus here, is trying to get this wall, foot up on the back wall. We get into a slightly bent position with this knee, the front knee. And to activate these muscles in the leg is we push in with this foot, kind of counterintuitively. So I want you to really push into that wall with the back foot, and what you'll feel is the muscles tense on the front leg, and you hold that position for time. And then obviously then what you can do is get deeper into it, push back, really feel those muscles contract, and then we can swap over legs, equal time in each leg. So let me know how you get on with them. If you have any other questions regarding a little bit of niggles, we can give you some alternatives as well. Cheers, take care.